Hello everybody, we're going to look at this problem from the AMC 8 2017. It's the first problem. It's very straightforward, but there's an important tip to learn from it. So which of the following values is the largest? This one, this one, this one, this one, or this one? Now of course what you could do is you could just go and calculate each of them, which is not so difficult, but sometimes I think that a very quick way to save time is just to compare them and see which one is bigger. And you do this along the way without actually calculating them. So let's have a look at these two. This one, because it's got 2 times 0, is clearly going to be smaller than 2 plus 0. So we know that A must be the biggest. Then we just compare this. Alright. Here, once again, we've got a 0 times 1. It's got to be smaller than this, so we know that A is still bigger. Here we have 1 times 7, which is definitely smaller than 1 plus 7. Okay. So that's got to be smaller again. And then this one, well, they're all just times by 0, so it's got to be smaller. So can you see I never actually worked out what this is? By the way, this is 10. And we can just check this. This is definitely the biggest. So this would be 8. This would be 9. This would also be 9. And then this one would be 0. But can you see it's possible to work these out without actually evaluating them? Important trick to learn. The answer is A. Thanks for watching.